of the information in this video is a review of the 6-column worksheet and the vocabulary that was introduced during the last lesson. All of this is in preparation for the Canyon Corporation simulation, which we'll talk about later in the video. This video contains a detailed review and will move rather quickly, so please use the pause button whenever the video has information in it that you need to review. Let's take a look at your learning targets. By the end of this video, you need to be able to make these statements with some confidence. I can explain the purpose of the worksheet. I can describe the parts of the 6-column worksheet. I can prepare a 6-column worksheet. I can calculate net income and net loss. I can define the vocabulary words introduced. I am prepared to work as part of an accounting work team to successfully complete steps 1 through 6 of the accounting cycle. Okay, let's start our review. We are in step 6 in the accounting cycle, which is the 6-column worksheet. It is used to create formal financial statements that are accessible to investors, auditors, and other regulatory personnel. During our last lesson, 2 terms were introduced. First was the 6-column worksheet, which is a working paper used to collect ledger information in one place that accountants use to prepare formal financial statements and to complete the end-of-period activities. The second term is called a ruling, which is the act of drawing a single line under a column of numbers to indicate that the numbers above the line are ready to be totaled. Also, ruling can be the act of drawing a double line under the totals of multiple columns to indicate that those columns are in balance. The next several slides are going to pass rather quickly. They are provided for your review, so please pause the video at any time you need more time to read over the slide or if you need to review any of the information provided. There are 5 sections to the worksheet: the heading section, the account name and account number section, the trial balance section, income statement section, and balance sheet section. Here's a look at completing the trial balance section. Here's the information about the balance sheet section and the income statement section. This would be the perfect time to stop the video to review how net income and how net loss are calculated and affect the worksheet. Here is an example of a completed 6-column worksheet with a net income, and then there is a cutout section with an example of a worksheet with a net loss. This would be a great time to pause your video again, carefully look over these worksheets and identify any areas you do not understand. If you have any questions you cannot answer by re-watching the video or by looking in your textbook, please bring those questions to class and I will answer them at the beginning of our next session. During our next class, you will receive an assignment that relates to the last learning target listed on the screen. The assignment is an accounting simulation for a business called Canyon Corporation that will require you to apply your knowledge of the accounting cycle steps 1 through 6. This will be a team project and I will assign the teams. Next class, I will provide you with all the requirements for the simulation, your team assignment, and access to the Google spreadsheets that you will use during the project. Please note that all your communications and work will be done via the Google spreadsheet. Your work, including your participation, will be graded, and you will also have to fill out a peer evaluation form for each of your team members. Please come to class prepared to start on the simulation and with any questions that you have about the 6-column worksheet. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you soon.